Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pop India. Today we will make a jumping frog. So let's get started. So to make a paper frog you will have to take a paper. Now you have to fold this paper in this manner as known in this video. Friends, I request you to watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, so subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with a friend. Now our frog is ready, so let's test it out. Thanks for watching guys, so we will meet in a new video.